Are you planning to install an inverter? One wrong move can destroy your equipment or put your safety at risk. These are some of the common mistakes you should avoid before installing an inverter. Mistake number one: undersized inverter. The first mistake is buying an inverter that is too small for your loads or appliances. Now, if your total loads, you have your total loads, they are like 3 kilowatts. You need an inverter that is higher than 3 kilowatts that can handle the total power of those loads. If your total load is 1 kilowatt, you need an inverter that is higher than 1 kilowatt so that the inverter will be able to handle those your loads. For example, this is their 6 kilowatt hybrid inverter. The maximum power of this inverter is 6 kilowatts or 6,000 watts. Connecting loads that are higher than the rated capacity of this inverter will make the inverter to shut down during operation because it will be detecting overload. It's like, using a small car to tow a truck. You know what that means. So always properly size your inverter so that it will be able to power your loads conveniently without shutting down. You also need to take into consideration loads with starting power or surge power, like your refrigerators or your water pumps. They have starting power. So all inverters, they have that ability to withstand that starting power, but they also have a limit. So you should look at the load and your inverter to know if your inverter can handle the starting power. Like this inverter is 6 kilowatt, the starting power is times 2 of its rated power, which means it can handle surge of up to 12,000 watts within a few seconds. So the starting power should not exceed 12,000 watts because that will also make the inverter to shut down. So always properly size your inverter so that it will be able to carry your loads comfortably. Now, if this is 6 kilowatt and I connect loads of 7 kilowatts or 7,000 watts, this inverter will definitely shut down. Now, when I say connect loads, you may have water pumps, you may have air condition, you may have what's it called? You have water heater, you have blenders, and the rest. Their total combined loads, for example, you want to use all of them at the same time. Their total power at that moment should not exceed the total power of this inverter. You may have different loads, but most times